Okay, buddy. So, welcome back. So, before the break, we have discussed in today's session what are the stages in SM. Just to be closely associate, if I ask you, what is an SM ka definition? What is the definition of SM? It's a managerial process of developing a vision, mission, goals, and objectives. Second, analysis. Which two analysis? Organization and environment. Third, formulate strategy. Fourth, implement strategy. Fifth, evaluating and taking corrective actions. This is and one answer, which is an informal answer, which is definitely, if I ask you, how many stages are involved in SM? How many? So, how many stages are there in SM? 5 stages. What are the 5 stages? Everybody clear? I hope now this is very concretely done in your system. Okay, so just I want you to go on page number 99. 99, 100. Exact page number 100. Okay, page number 100, everybody. Okay, so you can check it out. Stages in SM. Got the point? Stages in SM. Mila? So how many stages are there in SM? 5. What are the 5 stages? First, developing strategic vision and formulation of statement of mission, goals, and objectives. Second, environmental and organization analysis. Third, formulation of strategy. Fourth, implementation of strategy. And last point, evaluation and control. What is the meaning of control? Control means what? Corrective actions. Control means what? Corrective actions. So if I ask you, how many stages in SM are there? 5. Okay, this is already covered in one chapter, chapter 5. So we need to remember this answer. But this answer will be in different form altogether when you are writing the answers. If I ask you, what is the definition of SM and how many stages in SM are there? Stages in SM we have cleared on this page, 100 page. And now come on definition of SM. Just I want some keywords need to be modified. Some keywords. स्मेल आ रहा है क्या कुछ आग का फायर फायर इधर माँ कसम स्वाहा बाहर है कुछ जल रहा है दिख नहीं रहा पर बाहर से आ रहा है ठीक है मतलब समथिंग देयर आउटसाइड let it be outside only. We'll check it out later on, buddy. Okay, my buddy. Come to the page number 4. Page number 4, buddy. .4 paragraph is there. Everybody? Okay, strategic management. First highlighting word. The term strategic management refers to. Everybody on the same page now? So, a term strategic management refers to which process? Managerial process of developing a strategic vision. Yani, this is the first point which we have discussed already. This is the first point to remember. Now, in this definition, they have not used the word analysis. Analysis, second step they have not used. But remember, without analysis, we can't do any strategies. So, the only when you are writing a definition, the definition, some words will be modified. So, what is the definition? Developing a strategic vision, setting objectives. Yani, instead of second point, analysis, they have used the word setting objectives. It's okay, fair enough. But we need to remember the answer in this way. The third will be crafting a strategy. Yani, formulating ki jagah word they have used. What is the meaning of crafting? It is formulating strategy. Everybody with me? Okay, fourth, implementing. I hope this is very clear. And fifth is evaluating the strategy. And finally, initiating corrective adjustments where deemed appropriate. What is deemed appropriate? We'll discuss it later on. But right now, if you focus on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 5. So if I ask you a question, explain the stages involved in SM. Stages involved in SM. Stages involved in SM. How many steps are there? 5. 5 stages are there, and that stages we have discussed before the break. exactly the same answer will be there. Only the last word evaluating and corrective action ke instead of corrective action, controls. Stages are stages of steps. But if I ask you to write the definition of SM, okay, so how you'll write the definition of SM? You will modify the answer into this particular answer. So what is the definition of SM? It's a managerial process. Modify. It's a managerial process of developing strategic vision, okay, setting objectives, crafting strategy, implementing and evaluating strategy, and initiating corrective what? Action, adjustments deemed appropriate. Okay, so can I close this one now? Everyone? Okay, so had you highlighted this word? What is the next point we'll discuss later on? This is not right now my agenda. So my agenda is, okay, if I ask you to write, okay, 10-15 minutes we are on the common set again, and after that we'll come to chapter 1. Okay, if I ask you to write the definition of SM, okay, I hope now things are clear. And if I ask you to write the stages in SM, okay, answer is clear. Both are having almost similar answer but not same answer. So I need to be alert while writing the definition and stages. That's it. To be a formal answer. Huh? Sir, are we required to remember definitions as such? Answer is yes. Not definition of first 2 pages. Okay, the definition of management is not required. Definition of strategy is not required. Few concepts will be there, which we'll be discussing it out. But just I want to highlight you one more thing. Why definitions are important from SM point of view. Okay, look at the screen. Okay, you can go with any paper. Right now, this is September 24 paper. Okay, September 25 paper. You go with any paper. Okay, every paper will have FM and SM paper. This is SM. Section B. Everybody on the screen? Section B, which question number it is? 5. It's how much marks? 5 marks. Question B, 5 marks. Question C, 5 marks. But check it out in September 25. Same pattern. But what has been modified? Okay, look at out in this one. This was May 25 paper. This is May 24 paper. In May 24, the first pattern, okay, when section B started, was like this. Question 5A is for 5 marks only. But in 5 marks, there are 2 set of question. And one set of question will have 2 marks. Another set of question will have 3 marks. And in such kind of question, they have asked definition. Okay, the example, there one question was define Ansoff matrix and explain the Ansoff matrix. And it was 1 plus 4. What is the meaning of 1 plus 4? For definition, how much marks is there? 1. And 4 marks is for this one. So if it is combo question, 5 mark question, which I showed you in September examination, it's okay, fair enough. You are in very good position. Even if definition is here and there, it's okay. Because it's an aggregate marks. But if it is a part marks, okay, we need to be alert. That's the only reason where our definition role will play. And if you focus on, even in small question, you can get like this. 6A, read 6A. 6A, read 6A on the screen. Innovation leads to unnecessary expenses that do not give as many returns. Do you agree with this statement? Give reasons in support of your answer. How much marks is there? So 1 mark is for what? Agree or disagree. And whatever your reason will be there, okay, 4 mark will be for that reasons. This is how the things can be done. So I hope you are understanding that whenever, why I have alerted you, immediately when I started this lecture, I alerted you that while writing a definition of SM and while writing a stages of SM, the answer is different. Why I want you to understand is because if this 1 mark question is there, if you write here and there word, okay, marks will be going. Am I required to stick exactly to the book or exactly to module? Answer is, to the extent yes. To the extent means what? If the definition is there, its answer is yes. But if case study is there, which does not have any answer in book, then you need to apply your brain. You need to apply your mind and write the answer. So whatever answer will be there, we'll discuss it out. But I hope definition need to be alerted. So whenever now I ask you definition of SM, what is the definition? This was a starting point only. Managerial process. Aage. Developing strategic vision, setting objectives, crafting strategy, implementing and evaluating strategy, and taking corrective adjustments deemed appropriate. This is the definition. But if I ask you stages in SM or steps in SM, before the break, what we will discuss before the break will be the answer. I hope this point is clear. Can we freeze? Yes or no? Okay. How many levels of management are there? How many levels of management are there? 3. What are the 3 levels? Top, middle, lower. Forget everybody now. When you are doing the strategic management point, you will not be using word top, middle, lower. Not at all. Not at all. I'm telling you. Not at all means not at all. So then what word or what concept will be using? The concept which we'll be using is basically, okay, look at the screen. Okay, because I'll be using the example. Again, example is not required to be written. Just only your mindset should be coming into picture. How it is working. This is Tata Group. Tata Group. Okay. Are you aware Tata Group is into which business? Tata Group is into which business? Okay, first I will write Tata Steel, which is an old and traditional business. I hope everybody is aware about Tata Steels. Along with Tata Steel, any? Tata Motors. Are you aware about Tata Motors, buddy? Tata Motors, which is Tata Safari and other element. Okay, any other business? Huh? Airlines, Tata Airlines. Now, I will not enter into airlines right now. Okay, any other? Okay, consultant services. TCS, have you heard about TCS? Yes or nobody? Okay, TCS. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS. I'll be writing TCS. And one more business. I'm taking an example. So I'm taking 4 businesses. Any idea one more business? Tata? Tata? Tata Bank? Hotel. Tata Hotels. Taj. Had you heard about Taj? That Tata hotel groups. Now, please take care and understand everything very clearly. This is how Tata Group has been divided from our understanding point of view. Tata Steels. I hope everybody is aware about the further division which I am doing. I am doing only an sample basis. It can have more elaborated version. Sample basis. Tata Steel will be having production division, production department. One more department can be sales and marketing department. One more department can be HR and one more department can be accounts. Okay, this department are also called as function. This department are also called as, please bhai sahab, every punter, okay, please be alert because this is very conceptual discussion. Then only we can go ahead with the chapter 1. Very conceptual discussion. Okay. And similarly, we can have, okay, the functions at other departments also, other business also. Okay, Tata Motors, we can have the similar scenario in Tata Motors. But in Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, tell me, will production will be there? No. Then there will be development of software. I hope everybody clear. So something like this, development of software, HR, similar stage. And Tata Hotel will also have the similar area or similar structure. So basically what our discussion come is, okay, now here which level of management and how it is working, please listen carefully. Here is one person who is Mr. A, who is a CEO of Tata Group. Okay, in Tata Steel, one more person is Mr. X. In Tata Motors, one more person is Mr. Y. In TCS, one more person, Mr. Z. And in Taj Hotel, Mr. Okay, Z1. Okay, and production. Okay, acha, Mr. X is also a CEO. He's also a CEO. He's also a CEO. And this is also CEO. Everybody in the red clear hai? Everybody? Now my question, is Mr. A CEO? Yes or no? Mr. X is also CEO. So what is the difference between Mr. X and Mr. A? Department nahi. Department will be further. This production and accounts will be department. These are not department. These are units. Okay, sector or unit. Okay, Mr. X is a unit CEO and Mr. A is a group CEO. So to be very precise, can I say like this? Mr. A is a Tata Group CEO and Mr. X is the CEO of Tata Steels. Okay. So are these CEO both same or different powers? I'm using the word CEO. Can be any word, MD or something, whichever word we need to use. We are using the hierarchy now to understand. Because what Mr. A decision will be taken, what Mr. X decision will be taken, this is what our understanding should be. Mr. X ka strategy will be different. Mr. A strategy will be different. They both will never have a same strategy. This is like my father, and this is okay, me and my brother. Okay, this is what happens here. So now tell me, okay, so both are CEO or not? Who is a super CEO? Okay, so A will think about what? Does A think only about Tata Steel or at the same time of Tata Motors also? Okay, my question is very simple. Does A think about Tata Steel or Tata Motors also? Tata Motors also, everyone? Okay, but Mr. X will think about only. I hope everybody clear. This is very clear. Okay, now everyone, okay, I'm drawing in blue. Now tell me, here is Mr. P, here is Mr. Q, here is Mr. R, and here is Mr. R के बाद क्या था? RS. Okay, I hope PQRS, everybody clear? The same way, okay, P1, PQ, we can write the further name. But my question, in the blue version, who are they? They are also heads. They are also head. They are also senior people. Departmental heads. Okay, are they manager or lower staff or something like that? They manager. Are they head or the supervisory managers? They are kind of heads. Acha, so let's do one thing. Okay, I'm asking some question. Please give me a good answer. Good answer. Huh? I want to take a decision about Tata Steel. Who will take? I want to take a decision about Tata Steel. X will take or A will take? I hope you understood what is the problem here. Tata Steel decision. Tata Steel decision. Tata Steel decision. Acha, Tata Steel should be closed down. Who will decide? Okay, Tata Steel should be expand. Who will decide? A. Okay, every time you are saying A, and when I'm asking Tata Steel ka decision will be taken by Mr. X. My question is very clear. Who will take the decision of Tata Steel? Be clear with these concepts, huh? Otherwise, all fundamental will go wrong. Because this is not top, middle, lower. You are outside that world. You are into strategic world, which is very different and very realistic. My question is again, who will take the decision about Tata Steel? Okay, X or A? Now one time you are saying X, one time when I ask the question, you come to A. Now I want to expand Tata Steel. I want to go Tata Steel in multiple countries. Both or nahi? I want one answer. A or X? A. Who will take decision about Tata Steel? X. What is happening, buddy? When I ask who will take a decision about Tata Steel? X. I want to expand with Tata Steel. No, A. Remember this. Okay, the decision about Tata Steel will be taken by A. The decision about Tata Motors will be taken by A. But in Tata Steel inside, whether we should create one more department or not, whether we should create one more department or not, okay, who will take the decision? This is X. X is basically managing these functions. X is the person who is managing the functions. Everybody with me? Okay, he's the person who is managing the functions. He's managing the strategy at Tata Steel level. But strategy about Tata Steel will be taken by whom? A. Okay, example. Now tell me, okay, if I'm doing the production, if I'm doing the production, everybody, in-house production and outsource. Had you heard about this? What is in-house and outsource? What is the meaning of in-house production and outsource production? Acha, in-house outsource, not aware. Acha, in-house outsource be not aware. Arey, yes or no, to bolo. Aware. Then tell me, na, so what is meaning of in-house production and outsource production? In-house manufacturing is inside organization. Okay, order to somebody else. Basically, it is not about factory site or something. It is basically I am owning that factory. I am owning that machines. I am employing my employee and I'm producing for myself. Okay, I will be selling it and I'll be producing myself. This is called in-house. But I am having a labor problem. I am having a supply shortage. I am having a machines issue. I am not a capable person of machines. Then what I do? Outsource. Now I am outsourcing to a person who is more capable in that. I'm outsourcing to the person who is more capable in that. I hope this point is very clear. My question, whether it should be in-house or whether it should be outsourced, who will decide? For Tata Steels, manufacturing should be in-house or outsourced, who will decide? It is X. It is not A. I hope you are getting the point. This is X. X will decide. X will decide. Acha, X is having some funds. How much funds should be received to HR? How much funds should be received to accounts? Will be decided by whom? X. Okay, so please do understand this thing very clearly. Huh? X will be deciding. So my question, decision about the functions. Decision about the functions. Decision about the business. A. I hope everybody clear. Right now put this A and X name only. Huh? Later on we'll shift the name. I hope everybody clear. Acha. I want to merge this Tata Motors with Mahindra Motors. Who will decide? Mahindra Motor and Tata Motor should be merged. Okay, acquired or something like that. Who will decide? A. It is not Y. I hope everybody clear. So decision about this one. But okay, I want to open one more function. I want to close one function. Who will decide? Y. Y or X. I hope this point is very clear. Yes or no? Then sir, what P is doing? What P is doing? Managing production. Exactly some example. Managing production means what? Raw material purchase, how much production should be done, how the production should be done, quality management team will be there. This will be done by whom? Mr. P. But Mr. P should manufacture something in that much time. Who will tell him? X. And who will tell X that you should do like this? A. This is how the hierarchy comes. So my question, who is top management here? Who is middle management? Who is lower management? P is lower management. And precisely, I'm just telling you, once you become CA, okay, you will be fitting in which position? Can you tell me? Acha, leave all other aside. Huh? You just discuss Tata Steel, Tata Group, and this one. You as a CA will be joining which position? Okay, can you become X? Not at all. Can you become A? Not at all. The problem with this concept is basically you need to understand you and me are chartered accountant. We are expertise. Everybody agree on this? Yes or no? You proudly say na, we are expert. We are expert, chartered. Those who clear foundation, the day result, oh my God. What happened? Those who clear foundation. Okay, direct entry and foundation group is there, na? Those who are in direct entry, don't worry. Next year you will be also yeah, chartered. Feeling will be car. Lekin total feeling will be after CA. Tell that, huh? BCom. BCom ka feeling is next level. Cleared BCom. But when in BCom and CA, okay, in which you do flaunting. Flaunting means hawa. What you say? Anybody asking you what you do? Do you say BCom or chartered? Why? Why don't you say BCom? Huh? Overvalue? No, overvalue. What are you saying? More valuable. More valuable. More valuable means you are specialized. So think logically. If you are specialized, you can't be in general manager. Okay, help me out. Mr. X should have a knowledge of accounts. Tata Steel I understood, but what? Tata Steel. Hey, Tata Steel mein what? Mr. X should have a knowledge of industry. Wow. Hey, Mr. X should have a knowledge of production also, sales also, HR also. Acha, Mr. X is having knowledge only of accounts. Only of accounts. Can Mr. X stay here? So Mr. X should be which expertise manager or general manager? He is GM, general manager. He is general manager. He cannot be a chartered accountant. CA is not a general manager. But apne upar, the above of us is the general manager. Sir, where we are? You are here. You are here. You and me are here. We are expertise. We are expertise in which area? Therefore, you are accounting head. Now tell me, lower level. Lower level. Now tell me, lower level. This is top, this is middle, this is lower. I hope you are getting the point. So this is nothing to do with top, middle, lower. Top, middle, lower is not there. The triangle which is in your mind is below this. These are heads. These are head people. These are head people. This P, Q, R, S are top management jaisa hi. And under, suppose now you are Mr. S. Below you, there will be one middle management. Okay, in below you, there will be lower management staff who will be working for you. So this is nothing to do with top, middle, lower. So top, middle, lower, Tata, bye bye. So then what three levels are there? Corporate level, business level, functional level. Three levels. What are the three levels? Corporate level, business level, functional level. So tell me who is corporate level? A, X, nine, X or A? Corporate level. A na? Paka na? A. Okay, so who is business level? X. And who is functional level? Okay, PQRS. I hope everybody clear. So tell me, functional level manager is taking care of function. Okay, it's various functions. So help me out. Mr. P is responsible for which function? Q is responsible for sales. I hope everybody clear. Okay, tell me now, Mr. X is responsible. Hello. 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 Yeah. Projector will start it out. Don't worry. Okay, look at me. I hope your hierarchy is clear. Remote on. Are you looking at projector or me? Look at me now. Projector will wait na. You don't remember hierarchy? Everybody remember hierarchy? Look at me right now. Projector. Oh, who is corporate level? A. Who is business level? Only one name. And who is functional level? Four names. PQRS. Who is taking care of production? Name now. Functional level manager. Who is taking care of accounts? Functional level manager. Who is taking care of HR? Functional level manager. I hope everybody clear. So functional level manager is a general manager or specialized manager? Specialized manager. Everybody clear? He is not a general manager. He is expertise in that area only. The sales manager is very expertise in sales. HR manager is very good at HR. Accounts is very good at accounts. Finance is very good at finance. But what about a business level manager who is Mr. A? X. Mr. X. He is expertise in which area? He is not an expertise in any specific area. He is expertise in all the area. So who are this manager? Which qualification requires? Which qualification requires for this managerial level? Any idea? BCom. Oh, possibility. BCom wala can also reach there. Anybody can reach there. Anybody, even a CA can reach there, but experience is required then. Okay, after clearing BCom, you can't reach there. Okay, after BCom, okay, you need to have a business. You need to get married. After marriage, kids. And when kids become a chartered accountant, that time, okay, he will be at one level. I hope you understood. BCom wala, how much time? Okay, and we are not discussing about course. I'm not saying any course up and down. We are just discussing hierarchy. So BCom experience more required. CA experience less required to become Mr. X. MBAs are the person. IIM, IIT. Okay, I hope you have heard about this one. These are the people who technically, IIM Ahmedabad, many times you will come across IIM Ahmedabad, a CA or IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, who will be on this position or these positions. So these are some managing person because they are business administration, business management. But nevertheless, sir, can CA become this one? Answer is yes. But CA will require, because right now during your course of studies till 2029, 28, 29, you will be studying only accounting area, main core areas. Accounting, auditing, we are core on accounting and auditing. But what about other areas? So you will learn with an experience how you interact and other things. But nevertheless, okay, my question is very simple. Who will decide about the functions? Who will decide about the functions? Functional level manager or business level manager? Who will decide about the functions? Functions. X business level manager. Who will decide about the function? Function. One function. Okay, P. Now change the word. Now PX. Now we can replace the word. Which manager? Functional level manager. Okay. And who will take care of multiple business? Okay. A name corporate level manager. So can I say like this? Corporate level manager is top, functional business level manager is middle, and functional level manager is lower? Lower? Not at all. Okay. So where is top, middle, lower? Where is top, middle, lower? It's below this. These are all top managements, buddy. Okay, so technically speaking, my question, okay, is what we are discussing. Are these types of management? No. This is not a types of management. Then what is this? These are the level of management. Listen. These are the level of management, okay, is preparing strategies. So how many levels of management who are preparing, who are involved in strategic management? How many levels of management are involved in strategic management? 3. What are 3 levels? Corporate level, business level, functional level. Everybody with me? Okay, so my question is very simple. Out of 3 levels, who is general manager? Who is general manager? Who is general manager? GM, general manager. I'm waiting for the answer, buddy. Business level only. Business level only. Acha, who is specialized manager? This answer is clear. Okay, then who is this also, Ray? This is also general manager. So this is also general manager. This is also general manager. What is meaning of general manager? Who is not specialized in one area. He is generally expertise in all areas. So my question, who are general managers? On the screen, corporate also, business also. Who are specialist manager? Functional. Okay, done, buddy. Who is divisional manager? Division. Division manager. Who is division? Use 3 names only. Corporate, business, function. Who is division manager? Division. Okay, steel division. Okay, motor division, software division, hotel division. So who is division manager? Business level manager. So business level manager is also called as divisional manager. Who is CEO of the company? Who is CEO of the company? Corporate level manager. Who is CEO of the unit? Unit. Business level manager. To explain various names of corporate level manager. Corporate level manager is also called as, one more name, GM. GM full form, general manager of company, and also as called as CEO of company. Everybody clear? Everybody? So, hello. Who is called as CEO of the company? CEO of the company, corporate level. Now give the names of business level managers. Names of business level managers. Business level manager itself, division manager, CEO of units, CEO of the or business, CEO of the unit or business, but CEO of the company, corporate level manager. Am I clear till here? So, few of the discussion to close on it. Thank you. Okay, sir. So fluctuations. Basically, my friends, coming back to the point, we have discussed three levels of management for deciding a strategy. Now, this is not a types of management or types of level. Remember this one: the corporate level, business level, functional level. Okay, so what I'm discussing is I'm discussing some questions. You tell me who will decide this. Don't give me the name of that one. Give me corporate level, business level, functional level. Okay, I want to shut down the unit, shut down something, corporate level. I want to expand. I don't want to, I want stability. Stability means just be as it is, just continue as it is only. Corporate level. Corporate level again. Corporate level. The corporate level strategies, how many will be there? Three. Remember three words. Stability, expansion, retrenchment. Three words are there. What are the three words? Stability, expansion, retrenchment. Everybody. Stability, expansion, retrenchment. Stability means how we are doing, let's be that only. Expansion, expand in such a way. Merger acquisitions can be there. Start with a new product, start with a new context, whatever it may be. That is called expansion. Retrenchment, retrench. RETRENCHMENT. Retrenchment means, okay, shutting down. It's not completely shutting down. It will also have three things. One is turnaround. One is divestment. Had you heard about divestment? Divest. Okay, example, I will shut down Tata Steels. Help me out. By shutting down Tata Steels, I will be getting a money. Acha, if I'm selling off Tata Steels, will I get a money? What I will do? After shutting down that money, what I will do? I will do what I will do with that money. Eat, invest in somebody, in some other. This is called divestment. Shut down something, invest that money into some other. That is called divestment. And one is liquidation. What is the meaning of liquidation? Okay, so if I say liquidation, everything is shut down. If I say divestment, I may tell to shut down one of the unit and I may invest into other unit. If I say stable, don't do anything, nor expansion, nor shutdown, something like that. I hope everybody clear. So help me out. Corporate level strategy, my friends. Corporate level strategy. Tata Group की strategy. I want corporate level strategy. Tata Group strategy. How many strategies are there? Name, stability, expansion, retrenchment. Everybody with me, buddy? Yes or no? So if I ask you at any point of time, how many corporate level strategies are there? Three strategies. What are the three strategies? Stability, expansion. Okay, whatever we are doing, let's do like this only. We will not do anything new. We will not shut down anything. Stability. Okay, whatever we are doing right now, we'll do like this only, but we'll start new also. Expansion. Whatever we are doing this right now, we'll shut down something. We'll continue this one. Retrenchment. A kind of retrenchment. Everybody clear? Yes or no? Okay. And there can be one more point that is called combination. That is called combination. So what is the meaning of combination? Combination. Look on the screen. Mr. A, okay, corporate level manager, is saying, Tata Steel, you follow stability. Tata Motors, you expand. You start new factories. You start new cars. Expand. Okay, Tata Consultancy, you expand. Tata Swatel, let's shut down. Let's curtail down. Now tell me, what is the strategy of Mr. A CEO? It's all three. So it is called a combination. So how many corporate level strategies are there? Three nahi. Four. What are the four corporate level strategies? Stability, expansion, retrenchment, combination. Retrenchment is a clear, buddy? Okay, just for your concern, just for your take-ups, just to remember this wordings, I'm just going through the pages, look at the pages. Okay, and I'm not entering into chapters right now. Okay, that almost in second half, I'll be starting with a chapter. So right now, just be familiar with your content, syllabus and everything. Okay, so when I start, so your every, what we say, plot is there. Then plot ka suspense we can create and end apart. And end it up. So page number 75. Come to page number 75. Page number 75. Everybody on page 75. Okay, corporate study. Are you getting that chart? How many corporate studies are there? Four. What are the four studies? Stability, expansion, retrenchment, combination. I hope this point is clear. And this chapter is which chapter? Fourth chapter. If you remember when we are discussing about the title index, I told you chapter 4 is about strategies. Which strategies? Mainly corporate level strategies. Okay, this complete chapter is about corporate level studies. Corporate level studies. We'll discuss it out. Corporate level studies. Basically, after completing chapter 1, my next chapter is chapter 4. Then only we can do the analysis. Because in analysis, we require some certain aspects of chapter 4. So my friends, I hope this 4 study basic is clear, na? We have not discussed anything detailed, na? I'm just creating an overview. You are awareness about the words, so we can deep dive into it. Now my question, then what strategy he will do? Any idea? Example, something like that. Example, I will connect with that one. Example, any example. And this is very correct video. मतलब एकदम मतलब super tod concept. This is super tod concept. What Mr. X actually I'm telling you, to have the market share super, he can tell you do this, do that, but ultimately capturing the market share is not a task of Tata Group CEO. It's a task of Mr. X. How Mr. X perform will know that how the market is captured. That is more important. So any idea what Mr. X will decide? Take any product or anything. You may be wearing a shirts, t-shirts, bottles, food industry, any industry, TV industry, mobile industry, which is very commonly used. Take example and tell me. If suppose you are into mobile industry, you are a business level manager, Tata Mobiles. So what strategy you will do? What strategy? Expand करना है या नहीं करना? Whether we should expand or not will be decided by whom? Corporate. Is that point clear? Right now, as a business level, what exact you will do? Tata Mobile, you are the business level manager. Tata Mobile ka, you are the head, and I am Tata Group CEO. Okay. Now I told you expand. I may tell you anything. Now what exactly you will do? That's my question. Acha, I'm telling you expand. Prepare new version of mobile. Huh? Acha, when I'm saying you expansion, you require funds. Will I give you funds? Answer is yes, because I'm a group CEO. I will give funds, and now the funds for you may come from yourself also or from top also. Acha, and top is not earning anywhere. Top will do what? He will take funds from TCS and give it to this one. Initial level mein, the funds were brought by Tata Group. Initial level, when me and my brother were not earning, okay, like how you are there right now, my father was supporting. My father was corporate level. But we are not business level because we are not doing any business. Right now, you are not doing business. You are not earning any profit. So you're not a business level manager. You are only a function of that papa. Once you become a CA, you start earning salary. You become which manager? Business level. Matlab a business level, a business unit which starts earning. This unit starts earning. Now, if this unit require funds, it can raise the funds from himself or it can raise the funds from papa also. So I told you, Tata Mobiles, I am giving you money. Don't worry. How much money you require? I am ready. Start. Now what your strategy will be? Think. I want that thinking. This is what creative level is required. Huh? Research and development. Who told research and development, my friend? इधर से किसी आवाज? अरे बोला ना, अरे बोला तो बोल, मतलब tell ना. Research and development, my friend told research and development. Who will decide R&D should be done or not? Who will decide R&D should be done or not? My question is very simple. Okay, I'm not making complicated. You don't create complication. My question is very straightforward. Who will decide R&D should be done or not? Business level. Yani he is creating one more department. So R&D is done. Okay, do you think R&D should be done? Or any other? You are entering in which industry, my friends? Mobile. In mobile industry, who is the leader? Who are leaders actually? Acha, who are leader? You are not aware only. You stay in country only, na? Who are leader in mobile? Acha, nobody. Acha, you don't use mobile only. Acha, you have mobiles? Okay, no. Mobiles hai. Are you aware about mobiles? Acha, do you look and do you go outside the house? You are aware, na? You are aware, na? There is life. You are aware, na? There is some. Tell na. Who is mobile leader? Okay, Samsung. Only Samsung? Apple. Okay, Vivo leader? Vivo, Oppo, OnePlus. Leader तो नहीं है. Why you told Samsung and Apple is leader? Market share. So do you think Vivo, Oppo is having less market share? I can tell you they are having major market share. The profit margin may be more for Apple and Samsung. Profit margin may be less for Vivo and Oppo. But volume for, I hope you are understanding. Samsung or Apple may be sharing, may be selling one phone at 1.5 lakhs. And they may be earning a good margin. But the volume is having a good market share. But the volume compared to Vivo and Oppo is not there. The maximum volume is sold by whom? Vivo and Oppo. The problem is Vivo is selling at high cost or low cost. High cost or low cost. Margin is less, but volume is more. So tell me, okay, you are already aware about this. Now tell me, if you are saying you are starting R&D, means you are competing whom? Vivo, Oppo. Achha, who are leader in R&D for phones? Who are leader in R&D? Vivo, Oppo is leader in R&D. Who are leader in R&D for phones? Samsung and Apple. Everything new they bring new version, new things and other things. Vivo, Oppo, what they do then? Copy, inspire. And that is very conceptual point. What Vivo, Oppo does, malum hai? Okay, please listen carefully. Okay, Apple will launch feature. Okay, Samsung will launch new feature. Vivo and Oppo will watch carefully whether it is successful in the market, whether that feature is liked by the public or not. And if that feature is liked, they will imitate and do the mass production. And because of mass production, the cost per unit decreases. And they sell at a lower cost to get a more market share. So there is a different concept altogether, buddy. So now tell me, okay, you should start R&D or you should imitate? Imitate also require R&D. Huh? That R&D is different R&D. Because to copy bhi, you need to understand. Huh? It is not easy to copy also. In examination also when you are copying, you need to understand he has written correctly. He has written something else and you are copying. Your copying skills are very good. May 26 will turn into September 26. This is joke because this is always happens with me. I always humorously say always attempt lag jayega. You will get an attempt or something. So it's a humor point. So what do you think? Okay, so should we start R&D or not? I'm giving you a wholesome money. What is the basic question which I'm asking right now to you? What is the basic question? Okay, what are the corporate level strategies we discussed? Corporate level strategies we have discussed. Combination. Now I want to understand from you what are the business level strategies. What are the business level strategies? In water, had you heard about the black water? Black water, who drinks? Aisha, Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is aware? I have cricket. Somebody may have likes, dislikes, don't know. But Virat Kohli drink black water. How much is the cost of black water? Liter. 1 liter cost. This Bisleri cost? 20 rupees. So confident. You in Bisleri also you get Himalaya. Bisleri Himalaya. Are you aware? Airports, malls, you go, you will not get this Bisleri of 20. They will give 1 liter Bisleri only, but that Himalaya, the water is flowing from mountain and they kept the bottle there and the water was inside and they, clean water. And they now charging 90 rupees for that. They are saying 20 rupees is flowing water, 90 rupees is falling water. Okay, going in ground in from the earth core, bringing the water is called black water. Okay, so Himalaya internet. I just want to show you Himalaya bottle, Himalaya water, Himalaya water bottle, a bottle. Yeah, how much is cost Himalaya? अरे किधर गया? Where? अरे Himalaya, where is Himalaya gone? हाँ, natural mineral water. How much rupees? 1,000 rupees for how much liter? Half liter. After drinking this water, you don't require anything else. After 1,000 rupees gone, you will come to know automatically. Everything complete 2-3 days, 5 days, water is done. I'm joking, huh? He'll say you. But technically, this is they say selling for 1,000. This is sold for. And black water, Virat Kohli. We'll just discuss it out. Virat Kohli, black water. Virat Kohli, the water bottle. This is black water. EU course or something like that. What is the price, Virat Kohli? Natural price kidhar likha? Where is price? It's something around 4,000 liter per 4,000 per liter. That is the cost of water. 4,000 per liter. After that, my kidney is failed. After drinking that water, my kidney says, no, no, no. This should be drank by that only, huh? That people only. We as people, we require normal water. Oh, apna water. So tell me, the Bisleri company is selling this at 20 rupees. A water in that 1,000 rupees. The water of 4,000 rupees. What is this? What is this concept? The same concept. You imagine this concept is in water. It is in everywhere. Everywhere. Think about shirts. Think about TVs. Think about mobile. Samsung. Okay, Apple. You will be having same features, but the price is very high. The same features in Vivo and Oppo will be somewhat low. In Realme or OnePlus will be more low. Same features. Everything is same. So who decides this? What is the deciding factor that I'll be selling at premium? Achha, what is the logic behind it? Okay, tell me. Now this Himalaya water, do you think will you be selling the same quantity what Bisleri sold? Bisleri would be selling 10,000 quantity. Example. Okay, do you think Himalaya water, which we have shown 1,000 rupees, will be sold at 10,000 quantities? The quantity will be more or less? Less. But what is the difference for them? What is the Acha, costing has been done or not? So, by our cost per unit and other things are there to you. I hope you remember, because in one of the chapter we require the costing, huh? Costing a basic. Okay. So, my friends, tell me now. Okay, so tell me now. I hope you are understanding this logic. Who is deciding the product should be charged this? The product should be premium feel. The product should be this one. This is the task of this person. He decide, okay, in which market we should be. Example, right now let's start. Okay, I'm giving you funds. Okay, now we'll start a manufacturing of water. Now tell me, okay, you are a manager, business level manager. Okay, what strategy you need to think? Will you do R&D for this bottle to prepare a 20 rupees bottle? R&D is required. So when you will do R&D? When you need to compete whom? Compete whom? Okay, it's like black water and other things. Then only you will do R&D. So my question, if I tell you to expand yourself and I tell you go into mobile industry, will you do R&D or not? Think logically, R&D or not? If you want to compete with whom? Apple and Samsung. But if you don't want to compete with them, you want to start in a market with a lower segment, the best option is R&D or copy. Copy and do manufacturing small quantity or more quantity. What is the logic of more quantity? Okay, see, understand. My action will be like this only. This is the action. Huh? This is the action. Sir, what is this action? This is called economies of scale. What is called? Sir, what is the meaning of economies of scale? Okay, learning curve. Okay, as and when you grow with a volume with production, as and when you grow with volume of production, cost per unit decreases or increases? Decreases. When you produce only 1,000 unit and you produce 10,000 unit, cost per unit decreases or increases? Decreases, na? So help me out. If I want to sell to major people, I want to do sasta, low cost. Okay, I should have a more volume or less volume? More volume. But I don't want sasta. I want premium feel. Okay, will I play in volume or will I play in margin? Margin. Okay, so every market, screen pe, everyone screen pe. Everyone screen pe, because what I'm telling you is what I told in morning also. Every class will be having its own agenda, own interaction. Cumulative revision is my guarantee. Cumulative to recall everything is my guarantee. But conceptual discussion can be done only once. And once I've done this, okay, I will expect something when I'm going in chapter from you. So think about this market. Think about this market. This is a market where 100 people is there. Now this market can be of Karnataka also. This market can be of Udupi also. Udupi also. This market can be of Mumbai also. Okay, this market can be India also. How you divide, it's your choice. This is market size. I am assuming 100 customers are there. How many customers, beta? 100 customers are there. 100 customers में से there is a 51% market with one company that is called ABC company. ABC company. This 50% market is with ABC company, buddy. Okay, now why it is with ABC company? Because ABC is selling at lower in industry, lower cost in industry. So tell me, okay, lower cost in industry. So he's doing manufacturing more or less. How can we reduce the cost? Tell me. Costing is done now. So tell me, how can I reduce my cost? Manufacturing unit. Production more. Only production more. What was your initial chapter in costing? Costing. Cost sheet. In cost sheet, you studied various cost. What are the various sides of cost? One is direct, indirect, overhead में जा रहा. Raw material. Second, labor. Third, okay, overhead and other things. My question, material cost should be, nahi, raw material cost ko, what should be done? Raw material cost should be lower or higher? Lower, or optimize. How? How we optimize raw material cost? महाभारत कुरुक्षेत्र है, गदा भीम कुरुक्षेत्र है. How cost will be lower for raw material? Don't order only, sir. Don't order only. Cost is lower, sir. EOQ. What is EOQ? It keeps two cost less. What is two cost? Inventory carrying cost and inventory ordering cost. This skill set is having by whom? Is owned by whom? ABC. ABC is very skilled in that. ABC ensure raw material control, EOQ, inventory carrying cost, inventory. Therefore, ABC can sell at a lower price in industry, and he is capturing a market which is price sensitive. This product is a price sensitive. By majority of people says sasta. Price sensitive market captured by whom? ABC. But the other market is not captured, sir, 49%. Then who is capturing? Understand. Whichever product you want to link, you can link. I'm just discussing an example. It is captured by, okay, now 25% is captured by, 25% is captured by, okay, XYZ company. Now tell me, is XYZ is selling at a lower cost? No. He's not selling at lower cost, but he is dealing with a different altogether. A kind of, right now, this example, this yellow field is basically a distillery. But this pink one will be, we have discussed now, water. Okay, which one? Black water very less come karenge. One more, Himalaya. This pink is Himalaya. My question, why people, acha, pink, you are able to see pink, na? It is pink. If you are not able to see, it's pink. I hope you are understanding, buddy. Everybody with here or no? So tell me, my friends, this pink color, this is who in our bottle industry? Himalaya. What people are preferring Himalaya? Why 25% people are preferring Himalaya? Because it is Himalaya. Because it is Himalaya. Acha, why people is preferring Samsung and Apple even if lower cost version is available? Only brand. There can be many other features, but this is what exactly I am expecting from you, yaar. These are answers I am expecting. By why people is preferring Himalaya? Somebody, maybe few of the people will be, okay, no boss, will not drink this wala water. Probably some health issues or something. Okay, we want a premium water. Okay, I told you also in morning, okay, Sobo, South Mumbai, high class of people. There are different people. They don't require like this 20 rupees. No, no. Aye. So these are kind of people who are into which bracket? 25%. Okay. 25% after that. Okay, this is more 20% market. Okay, 20 नहीं, 20 को कम करते हैं. This is more 15% market. Now tell me 15% market is of whom, buddy? Blackwater. I'm keeping only 3 competitors right now. Blackwater is yani out of 100, how many people are drinking Blackwater? Now why 15 people are drinking Blackwater? Why they are not drinking Himalaya? More. It's not about, you may be going in the correct direction, but logic is this. These people are more attracted by Virat Kohli. Probably. Okay, these people may be having some requirement, additional requirement. That's the reason. That's the reason how it is going. Okay, best example can be Vivo, Oppo here. Okay, Apple can be here, Samsung can be here. And sir, this is balance market. This is balance market. Green is balance market. Is taken care by whom? Nobody. Nobody is drinking this market, this much market. So how much is total market? 9% market. Do not drink water bottle from, do not purchase these bottles. This is how it is. This is the market scenario. I hope you are understanding. Everybody. Yes or no? Paka. I clearly explained the example. Huh? Now, this example you can fit into any. Now, my question, linked it. Okay, I will be doing lower in cost. Okay, but here, black wala and this wala, are they lower in cost or high in cost? But are they giving quality? Answer is yes or no? Acha, tell me, Suzuki car. Suzuki car is where? Suzuki in India. Maruti Suzuki, I hope everybody is aware. Across India, which car is very common? Abey, Suzuki. Every, maximum, reason simple hai, the parts are available everywhere. Okay, but do you think everybody purchase Suzuki only? Okay, are there people who are purchasing BMW? Okay, are the people purchasing Jaguar? Everybody is looking out this. This market share can be discussed anywhere. Okay, there can be a brand of shirt brand, I don't know, but here in Mumbai, we always have Gap, Gas, other brands which are top premium brands. And there is one more local brand, Park Avenue, Tommy Hilfiger, Basics brand. Okay, the premium brand. Now, somebody may be saying top Tommy Hilfiger is a very big brand. So he's comparing with some other lower brand. So every market is this one. I hope everybody clear. My question is, who will decide that I'll be giving lower in cost, or I will be? Acha, they are this both screen. Are these both charging very high? Are these both charging very high? Yes or no? Why they are charging very high? Because they are giving quality, which is not there in this. Acha, does this mean it is not? He's not giving quality. He's giving basic. Tata Nano, basic car. Does Nano have a tires in it? Or when you go to purchase a Nano tire purchased by yourself only. Car, every basic things will be there. Only but basic. Premium features will not be there. Why Audi or BMW or Jaguar will be charging very high? Because it is giving premium features, buddy. You are paying 1 crore, 1.5 crore for some premium features. Maybe for a brand also. It's your choice. But this is not the case with Suzuki. Suzuki says, I will give you all features, but which is basically required while driving. I will not give you massage seat. I will not give you a comfort zone. Okay, when you go with the shock absorber will not be so good. Wiper, a basic wiper will be there. I'm telling you, wiper cost up to 15 to 20,000. Suzuki is having a wiper of 800. There is a big difference in that wiper. It have a steel and a wiper content. In the big brands, The wiper is having a complete wiper itself, does not have a single scratch on mirror. This is the difference. This is saying I'm giving you a difference, therefore I'm charging more. I don't want everybody. I want, you want this car? You come. I'm interested to satisfy you only. I'm not interested in big market. Acha, how they are surviving? Acha, they are having good market share or less market share? Are everybody good market share or less? Less. Both of them are having less market share compared to yellow. Then how they are surviving? Margin is more. In this 51%, margin is less. Market share may be more, but margin is less. Here margin is more, therefore survival is there. So my question, okay, is here R&D is there or not there? R&D is there or not there? Okay, so think logically. These people will do R&D. These people will copy this R&D and do production mass manufacturing. And they will sold at call. What is the problem? Why they can't reduce the cost? Reason simple hai, because they are not into mass manufacturing. Samsung, okay, Apple, they are doing R&D. Okay, Vivo, Oppo, copying, doing mass manufacturing, reducing the cost, and ultimately selling at lower price. Who decide all this? Who decide all this? I hope you are getting this concept all together. Who decide all this? Is this decided by corporate level or business level? This is business level. So, sir, what is the business level strategies? Two strategies right now which we discuss on the screen. Everybody, one is cost leader. Either I want to become a cost leader or I want to become a differentiation. There are two strategies. One is cost leader and one is differentiation. Differentiation. I want to be different than others. I cannot become a cost leader because I can't produce a mass volume. But I want to be different from other and I can sell it high price. This is called which strategy? Differentiation. Everybody clear? So help me out. Blackwater, which strategy? Cost leader or differentiation? Differentiation. Bisleri? Acha, Bisleri does have a own brand also. If you go in the market, Bislera. Some brands, different brands. Okay, Aquafina. This is which? Cost leader or differentiation? Cost leader. Okay, Blackwater, differentiation. Acha, Nike shoes. Nike shoes, differentiation. Okay, basic Puma, basic shoes. Cost leader. Okay, Bata. Bata is differentiation or cost leader? Cost leader. Differentiation nahi. Bata is cost leader. Manufacturing at lower cost. Okay. Suzuki. Cost leader or differentiation? Jaguar, BMW. Differentiation. I hope everybody clear. I hope logic is clear. So what is the meaning of differentiation, buddy? If Mr. X decide to be differentiation, what he will think? My question is very simple. If Mr. X decide that we should be different from others, what he will do? He will do R&D. After that, he will do more production, volume production or less production. But will he include more features or less features? More features. Price will be high or less? High. Okay. Now tell me, if Mr. X decide to be cost leader, what he will do? He will main emphasize on what? Production. He will tell production, buy. Okay, volume. Okay, second, inventory carrying cost, lower. Inventory holding cost, lower. Who will tell this? Who will manage this? Which management? Business level manager. I hope this point is very clear. Yes or no? Nahi. Understood? Okay. If you understood this one, to tell me, this was a market which is already there. I told you, let's start a mobile. Original question. Half an hour before I ask the question. I am giving you funds. Let's start the mobile. What you will do? This is the market scenario in front of you. Mobile industry is divided like this. So what should be your strategy? Acha, coming back to the question again. I told you, okay, we are not in mobile industry. We are not in mobile industry. I am telling you, we need to go in mobile industry. I am giving you the funds. Do whatever you want. You are which manager? Business level. I am which manager? Corporate. I am giving you funds. I am telling expansion. My question is, okay, you need to enter into market. What you will do now? What strategy you will do? Acha, you are entering into new market or already existing market? We are not entering into new market yet. We are entering into which market? Existing. So in existing market, okay, so what you will do? How you will enter? Cost leader. I'm telling you, Tor Tandav. I will do Tor Tandav. To become a cost leader, what you should have? You're missing my concept, very base concept. To become a cost leader, I should have production. Acha, your phone demand is there. Is people aware that you are manufacturing phone? But what logic you are putting? How can be a cost leader? What I am telling, please listen carefully. I am telling already cost leader is there in market. Already two differentiation leader are market. I need to enter now. What I should do? Differentiation means what? Already people do. Acha, let's start with differentiation. What differentiation you will create? Already people who are liking here is already with them. Acha, let's start with water company. Water company. Tell me what differentiation you will do. You will start brown water. Who will like brown water? Everybody is preferring black water. How you will enter in a market? I gave you money. Don't waste my money. I'm giving a clear hint in the market. Acha, are we doing reactive or proactive? Are we going planning way na? Because I'm giving you funds and other things na. So proactive or reactive? So think logically na, how you will go. R&D nahi re. R&D will be wastage of money. ठीक है, R&D do how you will enter in this market. Nobody is getting. Acha, I told you 51 people are consuming. 51 people are. Assume this Bisleri bottle. 51 people are consuming. 51 people are consuming Bisleri bottle. Okay. 25 people are consuming Himalaya. And 15 people are consuming black water. And 9 people are not consuming bottles. How you will penetrate? Huh? 9%. Because that 9 people are not taken care by these 3 peoples. The 3 companies not taking care of that 9 people. This is how I enter in a market. What is a liking? What they cannot give. What they cannot give to 9 people. Why 9 people is not drinking water here? Not drinking water here. Example, somebody may say, sir, they are environment sensitive. Okay, let's do one thing. Bring environment sensitive bottles. Water bottle, environment sensitive bottles. Let's start with it. Okay, we'll sell in this. We'll charge premium because they don't want a cost leader. If they want water very low cost, they would have shifted to whom? I hope you are getting the concept. Okay, they would have shifted to Bisleri, na? They are not. Are they shifting to Bisleri? Means these people are okay, sasta or costly. Low cost wala or cost wala? Cost wala, they are ready to pay. Okay, they are ready to pay. Why they are not paying this too? Identify, do the survey. Based on that, enter into this market. Capture this 9. And once you suffice this 9, think logically. The problem will be, now once you enter in a market, you get that 9 customers. You're getting the logic. Now, this 2 competitor will awake. Arey bhai, 9 customer are tapped by him. We have tapped, Tata has tapped the 9 customer. What is the ground they are filled, Tata? So, they may also enter into our market. At the same time, we need to do innovation, a lot of innovation, that 9 people should not shift to them and their people should come to us. This is what business level manager will be thinking of. I hope you are getting the point. You understood the concept. Acha, I have not discussed any theoretical context. Remember, but conceptually you are understanding this one. I hope you are understanding the concept. So if I suppose you are entering a new market, if you are entering into a already where competitors are there, so how should you do? How should you analyze? Acha, example, I'm taking just general example. Now he want to start SM classes. SM classes. Already market share with Amit is there. Matlab Trisha is there. Already market share with somebody is there. How he will enter? I am asking you the question. How he will enter? Acha, he will say, I will teach you conceptually. It is already taught by Amit Tadir. I will revise everything. It is done by Amit Tadir. What new thing you are doing? Okay, that is taken care by everyone. Why people will shift to him? something new which is not taken care by other markets. I hope you are getting the point. Example, he start the classes in regional language. Start classes in regional language. There may be some only regional language understanding point. Some student who does not understand English also. They only able to write. Probably, I'm just giving an example. Example, in North India, okay, there are people who understand Hindi while writing. While communicating, they discuss English. Example, you have already seen the paper. It come in Hindi also. Malum hai na? Are you aware? The paper is always in two languages. What are the two languages? English and Hindi. The next page is Hindi. This is complete paper you will be getting. So it can be attempted in two language only. Hindi and English. Maximum attempt in English. But North India people, maximum, they also attend in Hindi. But while writing Hindi, they use some keywords which is in English. So it may happen, okay, he may start in regional language. So key, and now he should ensure he should grow like anything because he got the initial market share. But over a period, it may happen Trisha may start or bring a faculty who is teaching in regional language also. And Trisha can get a competitive advantage because already Trisha is having a people. I hope logic samjha kya? I hope logic understood. Understood? Logic understood? So whenever you are entering the market, okay, this is what called? This is called a concept of focus strategy. Which strategy? So help me out. Okay, so how many strategies are there for Mr. X? 3 strategies. What are the 3 strategies? Cost leadership, differentiation, focus. I hope everybody clear. What is the meaning of focus? The market which is not tapped by other people's. It is called which strategy is focus strategy. I hope everybody clear. Yes or no? Everyone? Okay, that's where agenda. So help me out. Corporate level strategies. How many corporate level strategies are there? Listen carefully and then answer. How many corporate level strategies are there? What are the 4 corporate level strategies? Stability, expansion, retrenchment. Okay, and combination. How many? Okay, business level strategies are there? 3. What are the 3 business level strategies? Cost leader, differentiation, and focus. I hope everybody clear. Yes or no? Okay, I want one concept to be clear right now. Tell me. Screen pe. Apple Vision Pro. Vision Pro. Okay. Who thought when I bringing Vision Pro means my market is expanding? Bring Vision Pro. Do innovations. Everything is taken care by Apple head. Business level manager of Vision Pro has discussed or brought some strategy. Which strategy he has discussed? Based on 3. Vision Pro is based which one? Vision Pro is in which one? Conceptual discussion. Vision Pro is in which day? Focus. How many are saying focus? Acha, anybody in cost leader? Meet me outside. Cost leader. Vision Pro cost leader. 3 lakhs rupees. Cost leader nahi hai. Okay, now the question will be, it will not be cost leader. It is differentiation or focus. It is what? Focus or differentiation? Focus or differentiation? Acha, cost leader, everybody cost leader to nahi hai. So we are discussing only 2 strategies. Differentiation or focus. How many are saying focus? Acha, 2, 3, 4, 5. Acha, few words. Focus strategy. Focus. Okay, focus strategies. Okay, baki everybody is saying differentiation. What do you think? It is focus or differentiation? Okay, it is differentiation or focus. When focus applies? Is Vision Pro or any such glasses market is there? So how you are tagging which market? Okay, yaad rakho, remember this one. Focus strategy is always used when market is there and some market is unfulfilled. Not filled. By whom? Competitors. Do you think Vision Pro competitors are there? So how the focus strategy will come? Focus will never come. Focus to come in focus, you require Acha, in this example, how did you understood the focus or not? Yes or no? Okay. How? Acha, let you give me an example. One more example. This one was by the Vivo, Oppo. This one was by Samsung. This is by Apple. OnePlus identified. Okay, there is some market. The people do not shop from the shops in a market. Physical shopping they do not do. There are certain people who do the shopping online on Amazon and other things. OnePlus thought, okay, let's do one thing. If I open a shops, OnePlus ka, people will come, the same people will come and may not buy my product, OnePlus. Reason simple because they are preferring Apple, Vivo, Oppo. So I will do one thing. OnePlus told, I will launch my mobile only online. I hope you maybe, if you are aware, if you're not aware, OnePlus initially for 4 years was available only online. It was not available in any shops. OnePlus told, I'll make myself available only online. This is called which strategy? They launch which strategy? Focus. So technically speaking, focus is also a differentiation. But okay, it is capturing which market? The market which is not captured by other differentiation. Acha, tell me, in Bisleri bottle, recall. In Bisleri bottle, okay, which market was this? Okay, which was not tapped? Which people were not purchasing these bottles? Black. Why people? This 9%. Why they were not purchasing black or the other one also? Plastic. They were environment sensitive. So tell me, okay, we Tata Group launch an environment sensitive bottle? Yes or no? What exactly environment sensitive bottle is? Technically, while entering in a market, it was focus. But don't you think it is different from these three? Therefore, technically, it is always called a differentiation. But okay, when launching a product, it is called a focus strategy. So tell me, okay, so when I am bringing Vision Pro first time, it is focus or differentiation? Differentiation. And once market is saturated, one market comes into picture, after that some market may not be occupied by these competitors, and somebody launch something, then it becomes focus. And by focus, he is creating a differentiation only. But it is entering a market. Therefore, business level strategies will be divided into how many points? 3. Focus understood, na? Technically, okay, acha. I'm telling you, ekdam super concept, huh? Cost leader is also actually differentiation. He is differentiating, acha. How this Bisleri is differentiated from black water and pink water? Low. It is a differentiation in low cost. So everybody in market, okay, we compete based on differentiation. One differentiation can be price, cost, and the other differentiation can be features, quality. This is how it is done. Okay, so who decide this business level strategies? Oh, who decide business level strategies? How many business level strategies are decided? What are the 3 business level strategies, buddy? Cost leader, differentiation, focus. Can we close on this now? So my question, corporate level strategies, how many? 4. Business level strategies, 3. And if you ask me functional level strategies, okay, we have already discussed. Production will take care of production. Sales and marketing will take care for sales and marketing. Okay, so who will decide what ad should be run? Sales and marketing. Okay, but who will decide that this product should be lowest in cost? Nah, yaar. Who will decide my product should be lowest in industry, lowest in cost? Business level. And based on that, okay, the production will be doing which production? Small production or mass production? Acha, tell me, if he is a cost leader, so he should reduce the cost or increase the cost? So his sales and marketing will do more sales and marketing or less sales and marketing? Practical concept, practical. Acha, tell me who will decide we need to be a cost leader? Name on the screen. Mr. X, business level. He says we need to bring lowest in cost. Who will manufacture? Mr. X will manufacture or Mr. P will manufacture? P. So manufacturing, economic order quantity should be there. Inventory ordering cost should be lower. Okay, the other thing should be lower. Who will plan for that? Mr. X or Mr. P? Mr. P. Now tell me, if I want to become a cost leader, means, am I giving very low cost in industry? Yes or no? Am I giving low cost in industry? So low cost in industry, Okay, tell me, okay, sales marketing should be more or less? Think logically. Think logically. If I want to be a cost leader, means I want to give a lower cost product. This product should be lower cost. Its cost should not be increased. So sales and marketing will be more or less? Less. But if I want to go with differentiation, my margin, my profit margin is more. So sales and marketing, can I increase sales and marketing? The differentiation can go with. This is analytical point which you need to understand over a period. Monday lecture, Monday we'll be discussing on this only. Okay, it's coming Monday. Monday wala point, Monday and Tuesday we'll be discussing on this concepts only. But I hope this point is very clear. Yes or no? So tell me, okay, who is the person who formulates strategy? Levels of management, I explain you 3 names. So which level of management formulates strategy? Aja, question repeat, once again question repeat. Which level of management will formulate the strategies? Acha, one answer I hope you have not forgotten. Okay, how many stages are there in SM? How many stages are there in SM? 5. Explain. Matlab, repeat. Developing vision, mission, goals and objectives. Okay, analysis, formulating strategy. I am asking who will formulate strategy out of this? Business. Corporate will not formulate. Acha, who decide expansion? Corporate. So is expansion a strategy or not strategy? Expansion is strategy or not a strategy? Strategy. So does corporate does not take a strategy? Does not formulate a strategy? So my question, which level of management are there in strategy formulation? All levels of management. All levels decide strategy. Now you may ask, sir, what strategy this Q will decide? Sales and marketing. How to advertise? How to advertise? Who will decide? Acha, should we advertise more or less? Will be decided by whom? Understand my question very clearly. Should we advertise more or less? Should we advertise more or less is decided by whom? Business level. Because if we are cost leader, will advertise less. But if we are differentiation, will advertise more. I hope this point is very clear. But how should we advertise? Whether we should go on TV, radio, or newspaper, or Instagram, influencer, who will decide? Who will decide? Functional level. I hope everybody clear. Okay, so tell me, who is very close to customer? Out of all 3 levels, who is very close to customer? Who knows exact need of customer? Functional. So my question comes is like this. Do you think corporate level and business level, when they are deciding strategy, they should involve him in strategy formulation? So my question, functional level should be involved in strategy or not? Why? Because they are very closely associated with whom? Customers. Direct data they can be given by customer. What interaction is done, they can be giving that data to the corporate and business level. Atma, my friends, everybody clear? Yes or no? What are the strategic levels in organization? Question. What are the strategic levels in organization? How many strategic levels are there in organization? 3 or 1? How many strategic levels in organization are there? I can confuse. It's my wish. How many strategic levels are there in organization? Strategic levels in organization, my friends. 3 or 1? 3. Paka. Everybody? Okay, come to page number. Just for understanding, just for your page number 14. 14. 14. Okay, para number 1.6. What is the heading? Strategic levels in organization. How many points are there? 3. What are the 3 points? Corporate level, business level, and functional level. Everybody clear? Okay, come to the page number, earlier page number 2, second page. In large organizations, strategies are formulated at which level? Corporate level, business level, functional level. So help me out. Strategies are formulated at how many levels? Strategies are formulated at how many levels? What are 3 levels? Corporate, business, functional. Which are the strategic levels in organization? How many strategic levels? Strategic level. Who are the levels which are developing strategy for organization? How many strategic levels are there? 3. Which are the strategic level? 3 strategic level. Corporate, business, functional. Everybody clear? Can we close on this, buddy? Yes or no? Okay. So last one more concept which we need to go. What is happening? ये क्या हो गया यार? And the last concept. Okay, so help me out. What is the main agenda of doing this all steps and what we discussed in last 4 hours? 4-hour session. What is main agenda? What is the main agenda? Why we are doing strategic management? Why? What is the logic behind we are following so much steps? Why we are doing so much discussion? We have 50 marks paper. What is an agenda? Huh? To survive. Survive the market. Survival is important or survival is required? Are you focusing, do you think everybody is focusing only for survival or profits? Profits. Okay, so means how this what you need to understand. Am I focusing here in this market? Do you think, okay, everybody on the screen, do you think Blackwater is very happy only with 15% and he will only taken care of 15% or he will try to capture this market also? Will he try to convince cost leader also, don't drink 20 rupees water bottle, 5 people can come here also? Possible or not possible? Okay, do you think Blackwater will be only, I'm okay with 15 or he want more markets? So what is your objective here? Why we are following strategic management? To capture more market? The word is called, the new word. Okay, this is called CC. Sir, what is CC? Core competency. And because of core competency, you get CA. Okay, that is called competitive advantage. So let me introduce 2 new words for you. One is competitive advantage. What is the meaning of competitive advantage? Getting profit more than industry average. Getting profit more than industry average is competitive advantage. Means you are having more share or less share? More share. So what is an objective of SM? What is an strategic management objective? Why we are following these 5 steps? Why we are following these 5 steps? We are not following these 5 steps only to survive. We are following these 5 steps to get or to obtain competitive advantage. So my question, why we are following SM? Competitive advantage. Acha, help me out. Screen pe, everybody on the screen. First step, develop vision, mission, goals and objectives. Second, analysis. Third, formulate. Fourth, wait. Why did you do analysis and then formulate? Reason simple hai, you identified the requirement and develop a strategy so that your market share will be more. So ultimately you want competitive advantage. Competitive advantage. Now tell me, okay, in this case, competitive advantage is with whom? Competitive advantage is with whom? 51%. Okay, do you think Blackwater will be satisfied only with 15%? Okay, will he advertise more? Will he try to get a market more or not? Yes or nobody? I hope everybody is getting the concept, huh? Okay, so what is the main agenda of anybody fighting in this? Acha, you enter a focus strategy. Okay, your target is to stay only with 9% or you want more percent also? Okay, I told you also, I explained you how logically you can link it out. Okay, so tell me, okay, your agenda is to stay only in the same market or get more markets? More market share you want? This is called competitive advantage. Getting industry average se zyada, more than industry average. More than industry average. More than industry average. So what is the definition of competitive advantage? One should earn. One should earn more than what? I repeat, means I am waiting. Voice is not audible. One should earn more than industry average. I hope you understood. Okay, that is competitive advantage. Now tell me why Bisleri is having 51%. Acha, who is having competitive advantage in this? Bisleri. Everybody clear? Why? Low cost. Low cost, everybody agree? Low cost? Yes or no? Low cost is there. Low cost is core competency of Bisleri, which other cannot do. There is a different word. One is competency and one is core competency. Tod nahi. Core. C-O-R-E. So one word is competency and one word is core competency. Okay. Everybody can do that. Competency. Only you can do that. Core competency. How you are different from other? Core competency. How you are different from other? Core competency. That is called a concept of core competency. Okay, this diagram which I explained you is at a point of time. Probably after 2 months, this diagram may completely change. Example, people become in this industry, in this market, 100 people, maximum people become, okay, awareness, health awareness, conscious, health conscious. How? Black water brought Virat Kohli. Black water brought influencer. Every influencer on Instagram, don't drink normal water. This is plastic. Plastic under this water is not filter. It is going some chemical. Oh, kidney. Drink only black water. Tell me, after looking so much of ad, automatically maximum people mindset can change. And if mindset change, customer may shift or not. This was the strategy of Blackwater. So what Blackwater was trying to do? Get a competitive advantage. And if people shift to Blackwater, why they are not shifting to Himalaya? Why they are shifting to Blackwater? Because Blackwater may be having something which is not Himalaya would be having. So what is that called? Core competency. As an example, suppose we launched Tata Water we have launched here. Everybody on the screen, huh? Tata Water we have launched. What was the logic behind we launching the product? Water is there, but it is in which packing? Environment friendly packing. Imagine I am running an ad on Instagram, news channel and everywhere. Oh, bhai saab. Okay, everyone, health conscious. You are drinking water. It is not water. It is poison because plastic is going. Imagine everybody's market now with me. Now imagine, okay, suppose he felt ill. Okay, fever. He went to doctor. Doctor asked, what are you doing? Sir, doctor, I am drinking. Which water are you drinking? I am drinking this. Doctor say, don't drink this. Not good for health. Always use Himalaya water. Now, who told doctor to tell Himalaya water? Himalaya. This is how I am trying to get a competitive advantage. Competitive advantage. So, what is an objective? What is an objective? What is an objective? Okay, what is an objective of SM? To gather more market share. That is called in word here. We don't say more market share. We say the word CA. Competitive advantage. But if I want a competitive advantage, more market share, I should have something unique than other. And that unique than other is called core competency. Everybody clear? Acha. Okay, if I am bringing uniqueness today, will I be unique lifelong or somebody will copy me? Somebody will copy or not? Yes or no? Apple and Samsung, every feature is copied, na? Then what Apple and Samsung does? Bring new features. So help me out. What is the core competency of Apple and Samsung? It's not feature. Innovation, R&D. Which is not there with Apple right now. Don't worry. But I'm just telling you. The main point is, if suppose, okay, Blackwater features has been copied by Himalaya, what Blackwater will do? The Blackwater should have R&D. He should give some technical word. More alkaline, less potassium, less carbonate, less sodium, less this, less that. And we, as if less. Oh, no. Oh, I was eating poison. Oh, God, help me. And we'll end up going with this one. I hope everybody understood or not. Yes or no? The two words which I make you understand right now was CA and CC. CA full form and CC full form. So, just a list before a break. How many stages in SM are there? 5. Repeat. Developing vision, mission, goals and objectives. Analysis, two analysis, organization and environment. Formulating strategy, implementing strategy, evaluation and corrective action, control. Steps, control. Clear? Definition of SM. It is a managerial process of, some different answer is there. It is a managerial process of, okay, of developing a strategic vision, okay, setting objectives, crafting strategy, implementing and evaluating strategy, and taking corrective actions deemed appropriate. Clear, buddy? How many levels in management are there? How many strategic levels are there in management? 3. What are 3 levels? Corporate level, business level, functional level. How many corporate level strategies are there? 4. Stability, expansion, retrenchment, combination. Everybody clear? Okay. How many business level strategies are there? 3. What are 3? Cost leader, differentiation, focus. Okay. What is an objective of SM? To achieve. What is an objective of SM? I want to achieve what? More market share. So more market share, what is? CA. To achieve CA. CA means, and to achieve competitive advantage, I need to innovate myself. It's called core competency. Okay. Competency means you and me having same thing. But what is the meaning of core competency? It is unique than other. Unique than. So core competency should be, say, similar to everyone or unique than others. Then you can get a core competency. I hope these points are very clear. Yes or no? So let's take a break. Okay, have a food, lunch, and have so much of lunch so that again at 1:45, 1.5 hours you can sustain. Don't eat lunch so much that in now we can't eat lunch anytime now. Are matlab, in short, after lunch, I hope understood everyone. So have a lunch, have a quantity of lunch. Quantity of lunch. Joking, huh? How much you eat, you eat. I will ensure you awake. See you.